Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 9 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. About 12 most important questions we are going to discuss in our today's session. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous question. Our first question was famous chili Dale Kursani got the GI tag of which state? Sikkim, Meghalaya, Assam, option D Odisha. Answer here is option A Sikkim. Recently, the red cherry pepper chili of Sikkim, which is locally known as Dale Kursani, recently got the GI tag, and it is about 480 rupees per kg. Okay, Sikkim is in news. Capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Chief Minister is Prem Singh Tamang, and Ganga Prasad is the governor of Sikkim. Okay, our second question was who has launched a campaign youth प्रदूषण के विरोध? अरविंद केजरीवाल, Narendra Modi, Navin Patnaik, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Chief Minister of Delhi Arvind Kejriwal. Recently, Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, has announced the launch of anti-pollution campaign youth प्रदूषण के विरोध to reduce the pollution level in Delhi. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is when Indian Air Force Day is celebrated? 7 October, 8 October, 9 October, option D 10 December. The correct answer here is option B 8 October. On 8 October every year Indian Air Force Day is celebrated, and this year it is the 88th anniversary of the Indian Air Force. Okay, and Indian Air Force was officially established in 8 October 1932. It is established. Okay, and it is established in British Empire. So at that time that the name was Royal Indian Air Force. But renamed in 1950 after independence and named as Indian Air Force. After 1950, the name of the Royal Indian Air Force is changed to Indian Air Force. Okay, and you know our Indian Air Force is the fourth strongest or fourth largest air force of world. Okay, this is the strength of our India. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Which country successfully test fired second hypersonic missile? Russia, Japan, America, option D China. The correct answer here is Russia. Option A is correct here. Russia successfully test fired a second hypersonic cruise missile in the Arctic. It is test fired in Arctic. The missile covered 450 km with a maximum altitude trajectory of 28 km. Okay, the capital of Russia is Moscow. Currency is Russian ruble, and Vladimir Putin is the president of Russia. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who got Nobel Prize in Literature for 2020? Louis Glock, K. Alexander, John Frederick, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Louis Glock. Option A is correct here. Recently, Louis Glock got the Nobel Prize in Literature. She was an American poet. Okay, the Nobel Prize in Literature is awarded by the Swedish Academy, Stockholm, Sweden. It is announced in, or it is given in Stockholm, Sweden. Okay. Recently, the Nobel Prize one by one is announced. After completion of the all the Nobel Prize, we will make a single video for your better preparation. Okay. Next question. Which country's Prime Minister Shahab Al Khalid Al Sahab resigned from his post? Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Brazil, option D Turkey. The correct answer here is Kuwait. Option B is correct here. The Kuwaiti government headed by the Prime Minister Shahab Al Khalid Al Sahab submit his resignation for the upcoming election in November 2020. The capital of the Kuwait is Kuwait City. Kuwait City is the capital of Kuwait, and the currency is Kuwaiti dinar. Kuwaiti dinar is the currency. Okay, you can see the image of the former Prime Minister of the Kuwait here. Okay, next question. Union Minister Ramvilas Paswan passed away. He was from which state? Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. Option D, Jharkhand. The correct answer here is Bihar. Option C is correct here. Union Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Ramvilas Paswan recently passed away. He was born in 5 July 1946. 5 July 1946 and recently passed away. You can see the image of Ramvilas Paswan here. He was the Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Okay. Next question. Who is get the prestigious Sarala Puraskar for his poetry सेते बेड़कू नथिब? नित्यानंद नायक, हलदर नाग, रवि कुमार. Option D, none of these. The answer here is Nityananda Nayak. Option A is correct here. Noted Oriya poet Nityananda Nayak will be conferred with the prestigious Sarala Puraskar for his poetry Sete Belaku Nathiba. It is published in 2017. It is published in 2017 and he recently nominated for Sarala Puraskar. Choose for Sarala Puraskar. Okay. Next question. Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of India Post Payment Bank? Suresh Sethi, J. Venkatremu, Shekhar Sharma, Sandeep Bakshi. The correct answer here is J. Venkat. Sorry, option B is correct here. J. Venkatremu is the answer here. Recently, J. Venkatremu has been appointed as the MD and CEO of India Post Payment Bank. He will succeed Suresh Sethi. He will succeed Suresh Sethi and achieve the MD and CEO position. Okay. Question number 8. Who has launched first ever brand and logo for Indian cotton? Smriti Irani, Narendra Modi, Harshvardhan. Option D, Amit Shah. The correct answer here is option A, Smriti Irani. Union Minister of Textiles Smriti Irani has launched the first ever brand and logo for Indian cotton on 2nd World Cotton Day. 2nd World Cotton Day is celebrated in 7th October 2020. Firstly, World Cotton Day is celebrated in 2019 on 7th October, and this year it is the 2nd World Cotton Day, and you can see the image of Smriti Irani here, Union Minister of Textile. Okay, and the prime cotton of India is recently renamed as Kasturi cotton. Kasturi cotton. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which state government announced Digital Seva Setu program? Assam, Bihar, Gujarat. Option D, Odisha. The correct answer here is Gujarat. Option C is correct. Gujarat government has announced a Digital Seva Setu program to ensure the utilization of technology for public welfare in rural area. For the public welfare in rural area. Okay, you can see the image of Chief Minister of Gujarat, Vijay Rupani here. Okay, the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. You can see the image of Chief Minister of Gujarat here, Vijay Rupani, and Acharya Devrat is the governor of Gujarat. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who has been appointed as the Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India? M. Maheshwar Rao, Shaktikant Das, N.B. Vishwanathan. Option D, none of these. The answer here is M. Raheshwar Rao. Answer A is correct here. Recently, Government of India has appointed M. Raheshwar Rao as the new Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India on 7 October 2020. 7 October 2020. M. Rajeshwar Rao, it is J. Okay, you can see the image of M. Rajeshwar Rao here. RBI is in news. Reserve Bank of India, the governor of Reserve Bank of India recently now is Shaktikant Das. The 25th number of governor is Shaktikant Das. Next question. Who is the first Indian to score 9,000 runs in T20 cricket? As per you see the Indian captain Virat Kohli here, the correct answer here is option C, Virat Kohli. Recently, Virat Kohli is the first Indian cricketer to score 9,000 runs in T20 cricket. Okay, in T20 cricket. Next question. Who has launched MSME Prerana, an online business mentoring program? Narendra Modi, Nirmala Sitharaman, Smriti Irani. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Option B is answer here. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has launched MSME Prerna, an online business mentoring program for MSMEs by the state-run Indian Bank. For the state-run Indian Bank, you can see the image of our Finance Minister here. I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, where is the Quad countries foreign minister meeting held? Our second question is, Nobel Prize in Chemistry is awarded to whom? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for you. Okay. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. If you first visit educational wing, must subscribe the channel for the further updates. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thereby you can get the notification very fast. Thank you. Have a great day.